students, good morning. Today I am going to teach you the asexual reproduction in flowering plants. The asexual reproduction has 6 methods. You have already studied that fission, fragmentation, budding and vegetative propagation and spore formation. These are the different methods of the asexual reproduction. Now today we should do the vegetative propagation. हम लोग देख पाएंगे vegetative propagation. Vegetative propagation is a method of asexual reproduction in which the asexual reproduction takes place in plants by the means of vegetative parts. The reproduction in plants, takes place by the vegetative parts of the plant, vegetative parts of the plants like root, stem and leaves. Is called vegetative propagation. This is the asexual method of reproduction which takes place in plants. The plants reproduce by the means of their vegetative parts such as the root, stem and leaves. These are called the vegetative parts of the plant. So the vegetative propagation in case of the plants takes place by the means of their vegetative parts, root, stem and leaves. There are two methods of vegetative propagation. There are two methods of vegetative propagation. The first one is the natural vegetative propagation. And the second one is the artificial vegetative propagation. Now the natural vegetative propagation takes place. Naturally it takes place, the natural vegetative propagation. The natural vegetative propagation takes place from the plants by the means of natural body organs, natural vegetative propagation. The natural vegetative propagation by means of roots, by roots के जरिए नेचुरल वेजिटेटिव प्रोपागेशन होता है. This type of vegetative propagation takes place from the roots of the plant. The adventitious root the adventitious roots develop from the plant which helps in the reproduction of various plants. Example, in case of sweet potato, dahlia, it is in these plants. In case of these plants, the vegetative propagation takes place by the means of roots, and the adventitious root develops and which give rise to the new plants, other plants, by means of the natural parts of the plant by roots. So this is the natural vegetative propagation. The second one is with the help of the roots. का पहला था, दूसरा जो है by the help of stems. The stem also give rise to the new plants, and we see the, if we cut the stem we got the new plants. The second one is by stems. By means of stems, the various plants develop by the roots, by the stem. When the stem are cut from the particular region, and it gives the new plants after getting the maturity. After attaining or getting maturity, we have a stem cutting. For example, in case of rose plant, China rose, and other plants. We also see some herbaceous plant, like the plant which have branches, there are the stems. We grow the other plants by means of the stem. By means of leaves, the other vegetative parts, the leaves. By means of the leaves, the vegetative part is also gives rise the leaves of the various plants develop an outer margin of the leaves as bud, which give rise to the new plant as they goes to the soil. In case of brown फाइलम प्लांट के केस में हम लोग देखते हैं कि उसका लीव से जो है नया प्लांट ग्रो करता है। जैसे ये लीव्स है मान लीजिए प्लांट का, तो ये लीव्स जो है आपका आउटर मार्जिन ऑफ द लीव्स जो होता है इसके पास जो है एक बड डेवलप करता है, आउटग्रोथ बनता है, बहुत सारा नॉचेस से यहाँ से बड बनता है। इसको हम लोग जब सॉइल में लगाते हैं तो ये नया प्लांट का उत्पत्ति करता है। इन दिस वे द development of the new plant takes place from the vegetative part, that is the leaves of the plant. That is in case of the bryophyllum we see the development of the new plant. This is the natural vegetative propagation which takes place in various plants. So today this is the natural vegetative propagation. The second part of the vegetative propagation is the artificial vegetative propagation, which is a very important method. Nowadays we are using the artificial method of the vegetative propagation. We get the various parts of the plant which has various types of property which is useful for us. So आगे के वीडियो में हम लोग देखेंगे आर्टिफिशियल वेजिटेटिव प्रोपागेशन का। सो कीप वॉचिंग, थैंक यू।